Hey guys, got a little small box here. Nothing really special, but wanted to show it to you anyways. Now this is a box cutter. It has 3 settings. As you can see right here. L to lock, 3, 1, and 2. Now each one shows you different. 3, big blade. 1, very small. And 2, we got a little medium. Comes with a clip. Simple as that. Now, the reason I got this one, now I traded for, I had already a blue one, but I wanted the real one, but I wanted the clip as well, so bought me another one. Now you're going to wonder why I would buy it, because this thing is only good for opening boxes, not really good for cutting. If you have used this one, if you use boxes a lot. Like these come with 2. Now, this is from, I have no idea because it doesn't say. What maker is this? This is his Squeeze. Can't even tell you the maker. But I got it for Amazon for $9. Simple. There you go. Peace out.